Welcome! Today I'm showing how to check battery health information into XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro. First of all, open your Play Store and find Ampere application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And click open. Now click yes I agree, close, and click OK. And now swipe on the right, and here in the second column on the top we got our health information about our battery, so our battery is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.